Hi, it's Darla from crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. Today I want to show you my finished Boggy Creek blanket. Going to be sending it off to Nancy at She's Got Yarn Too. Now you're seeing this the following week after I'm recording it, so I've already washed it by the time you see it, but it hasn't gone to Nancy yet. It'll probably go on Saturday. But anyway, it's about 40, it's close to 40 by close to 50. That's including the border. So it's pretty nice. I mean, it's a nice size. I think it is the correct size that they require. But so this is it. 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 All right. So I talked about it in a previous video. It was a whip at that time, but it's now done and I love it. I love it so much. Okay, so let me tell you what yarn I used and how much and all that. Okay. All right, so I used this. I love this yarn, super soft, super savings print. And this is it right here. It's the, don't want to give you the finger, it's that color there. And Nancy had sent me this yarn. Thank you so much, Nancy. All right, she sent me 3 balls and I used one whole ball and then part of another one. Okay, this is Hobby Lobby yarn. We Canadians are so excited when we get Hobby Lobby yarn because we don't have a Hobby Lobby. Anyway, all right, so it's made in Turkey, 100% acrylic, 5 ounces, 142 grams in one of these, 252 yards. Let me see, because it's bent. 252 yards, 230 meters. The name is Make Noise for Turquoise. It's really pretty, really pretty. Yeah, so I used one skein and then I got into another one. And the other color, this one here, which is this right here, that was in the $10 yarn haul, I guess, thing that I got from Sarah at Sarah's Little Corner of the Crochet World. I couldn't believe she filled 5 bags. Have you seen those videos? She filled, there's 2 parts because there was so much. She filled 5 bags and charged me $10 Canadian. All right, so this was in there. One of my beautiful subscribers said that this would be the, is it Red Heart Comfort? So we'll say that's what it is. So I use the same, be the same amount because they're 4 weights. This is also a 4 weight. Be the, the same amount of this one as this one, I would say, right? All right, so for the border, and the border is this gorgeous sparkly blue, sparkly blue. Okay, so that was given to me by Sabrina Mallow Juice. So I'll link everybody I talked about. World of Yarn Malaga Glitter is the name of it, and this is a Hobie yarn. This is a Hobie yarn. And she gave me 5, I believe. And okay, so what's in it? It's 100% acrylic. No, it's not. It's 98% acrylic, 2% polyester. It's a 4 weight. These are all 4 weights. Oh, dropped one. All right, so in this ball is, where's the thing here? 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, 165 meters, 180 yards. Premium acrylic, it says. 98%, 2% polyester. And for this one I dropped one on the floor, but I used 3, let me grab that. Okay, I used 3 skeins. And then I got into a 4th one, and I used a lot of the 4th one. And I have one left on my shelf. Yay! Okay, so that's what I used for that yarn. And then I used a 9mm hook. Because I was started with a 6mm and it seemed too stiff of a fabric. So I was going to go up to an 8mm and I couldn't find it, but I found my 9, so I used my 9mm. And I really don't like these hooks. And the reason is, they slip in my hand. The aluminum hooks that don't have a cover on them slip in my hands. And if you put your item down on the couch, the thing slides right on the floor. Clank, 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 clank. And I don't like that. My cats don't like that. But anyway, so I just thought I'd mention that. I don't like these aluminum hooks. Do you guys know of a cover? You know, some kind of cover. I'm actually a knife holder. You know, some kind of cover so it won't slip in my hand when I'm crocheting. So if you guys want to do a Boggy Creek blanket, this was a challenge by Jan, an Alaskan crafter, and I'll link her video below, or I'll link her channel below, because her challenge ends end of September. So if you may be seeing this the end of September. But anyway, you can still make a blanket. Her challenge was to use a bag a day design or fiber spider, and she has those linked under that video. So I don't know what bag a day used for for the border, because I don't think I got that far. But yeah, let me show you what I did. I just did single crochets. I did several rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I did 4 rows of single crochets, and then a little bumpy border where you put a single crochet, chain 1, go into the next stitch, put a single crochet, chain 1, go in the next stitch, put a single crochet, chain 1, and you just keep doing that all the way around. You put 3 single crochet, chain 1 in the corners. Yeah, that's all I did for the border. So I think it looks nice. It's just a little bumpy border, you know. A little bumpy border. So I think that's it. But yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And it's much more of a flowy blanket by using a 9mm rather than a 6. Yeah. So I think that's it. Yeah, so I'll have everybody's channel linked below that I talked about, and yeah, so that's it. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.